Los Angeles police are investigating a possible kidnapping after reviewing chilling footage from a doorbell camera. Take a listen. The doorbell cam capturing the horrifying screams of help from an unseen woman down the street. Her screams are quickly followed by a white car speeding up with its trunk open. A witness telling authorities that they saw a man pulling a woman's hair just before the car sped off. But so far, no one has been reported missing, and the LAPD has no leads in the case.